Good morning, everybody. This is Shilpa Jain.
Hello everyone, I'm Puran Karki and I'm from Sikkim.
Hi there, I'm Shahnaz.
IRC has been a very good experience and exposure for my kid.
This IRC League help our students in lots of ways. Here we are a little bit excited looking into their robots because it seems like their robots are quite different from us.
IRC is the biggest competition in India and it is really working fine.
IRC is a really very big platform where students can nurture their talents.
I think IRC helps our children put their all their skills, learn creativity in making a bot, planning out, learning programming and coding, and we are grateful for this opportunity.
It has helped them to increase their scientific temperament. The most important thing we have learned is to work together, and it is just superb platform for the students.
My kid has been doing really well. She has developed her motor skills, analytical skills, and I can see my kid growing.
They've learned actually about a lot of scientific facts like the center of gravity and how you need to work. It's just not building, it's just not building. It's about a lot of science that is going into it, and children are learning every single day. Not even that, they're learning about, not fighting and working together, which is a very important skill.
They are developing their technical skills, IT skills, they are building their confidence level. If they're participating in competitions, yes, they are boosting themselves by putting themselves in such a condition in which they can fight with the other teams.
It's a great platform for the kids to learn robotic design, programming, and also a lot of teamwork. It's a fantastic platform for them to really innovate and move forward, and wish IRC the very best in all of their future programs and the international competition that will be coming up in Dubai.